In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers and dear nature lovers. Viewers, today I'm showing you different varieties of grasshoppers. You can see them side by side. These grasshoppers are very powerful hind legs for jumping from grass blade to grass blade. You can see this one. Rather, there are 3 or 4 grasshoppers. All are clay colored, and here you can see the brown coat green grasshopper. You can see here there are a lot of grasshoppers here. I want to show you different varieties in a single place. You can see this one is very beautiful, having 2 colors. Now you can see another one on the grass plate. This one, you can see its underpart, large eyes and antennas. There are 3 different varieties I have located right now. Here is another one, you can see. You can see these grasshoppers from different angles. Here, nature is very fascinating and beautiful. Nature is always amazing. We are part of the nature. So preserve our nature, preserve our flora and fauna, so that our generations to come, they may enjoy these things. These trivial things have their importance in the niche of the nature web, the food web. They all are important. No matter how little they are an important part of the ecosystem. You can see a brown one. This is a smaller variety as compared to the green one. All of them are hopping from grass blade to grass blade. Because I'm sure you have enjoyed this tiny little creature. Take care of your loved ones and your family and your own self. Allah Almighty keep you happy and healthy.